Hello, and welcome to KraftyLab, where teams connect through innovative and virtual experiences. Let's get crafty! Beer snobs awake. Microbrew lovers are sure to enjoy this beer tasting experience in our professionally guided virtual happy hour. Learning the art of tasting craft beers is the perfect companion to an enjoyable hour of sip and brew with a little team bonding on the side. Our professional beer consultant, a virtual brewmeister of sorts, will not only educate participants on beer tasting techniques, but also provide some tidbits of information on beer styles, brewing methods, and a little history of beer making. All the while, your program leader will be encouraging relationship building and meaningful conversations. Working with our expert staff, you will receive a sampling of unique craft beers that we will ship to all participants. Once our exclusive beer kits arrive on your team's doorsteps, we're sure they will look forward to kicking back in our virtual brew pub and enjoying each other's company. To secure your spot, click Book Now, schedule a call, or send us an inquiry. Cheers!